Hello everyone, this is Aisha and welcome to our 12th Kotlin tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about the in operator in Kotlin programming language. So in operator is similar to the instance of operator that we were using in Java programming language. So this in operator is used to check if certain variable or element or object belongs to a certain class, array or interface etc. or not. So for example, here I'm going to create an array var n equals I'm going to call a function int array of. So you do not have to worry about this function, it will be discussed later in the section when I will discuss the arrays. So now I'm going to create a simple array 1 2 3 4, and it has elements 1 2 3 and 4, and the name of our array is n. Now I'm going to use the if condition and I'll write 4, which is the element of array, and then I'll use the in operator to check if 4 belongs to the array or not. So I'll write n, which is the name of array. So this condition will check if 4 is present in n or not. If yes, if the result is true, then the body of the if statement will be executed. So print line number found. Now 4 will be checked. If 4 is present in our array whose name is n, then the condition is true, so the control will be transferred into the body of the if statement and this statement will be printed. Now if I debug, you can see here number found. This is because 4 is present in our array. Now if I write 5 in n, then it will check this 5 element in our array, and if it is found, then this body will be executed, and if it is not found, then we will have an else part and we will print number not found. Now debug, and you can see here we have the message printed that number not found. This is because 5 is not the element of our array n. So this condition checks if 5 is in n or not. If it is in n array, then this message is printed, and when f5 is not in this array, then this message is printed. So this is a very small operator which can be used to find or objects of classes and interfaces etc. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.